Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let's see how we can count unique numeric values in a range in Excel. To count unique numeric values in a range, you can use a formula based on the frequency and sum functions. Here, in this example, let's consider this data range as B5 to C12. And to count unique numeric values, enter the formula here as equal to sum, open the bracket, dash, dash, open the bracket again, and type frequency, open the bracket, and select the entire data range, that is B5 to C12, comma, repeat the data range as B5 to C12, close the bracket, give a condition like greater than 0, close the bracket and close the overall bracket, and now press enter to see the result as 8. Got it, friends? So it calculates the frequency, that how many times the number has been repeated. Another way to count unique numeric values is to use the countif function instead of frequency. But this is the easiest and simpler one, calculates much faster than the countif function when you have a larger data. So friends, this is all about counting unique numeric values in a range in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. If yes, please do give a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.